Hey guys, welcome back to Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Master Designs. In this video, we're gonna teach you guys how to draw Baby Vegeta, Great Ape form. So, I know what you're thinking. You've seen me draw a Great Ape before, but, it was when Zamasu was a Great Ape. But that was just a Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 exclusive character. So, anyways, this version of Baby, he took on this form when he harnessed Vegeta's power to transform into this beast. But anyways, this is how you do this. This is how you draw him. You just draw him a Great Ape style, along with, you just draw him like I drew Zamasu, except he's more of a Great Ape type of character. Okay. Okay. If you ask me, I think this is the Super Saiyan version of a Great Ape. But, I still think it's a great character. But, unfortunately, this transformation didn't last long. In order to get Baby out of Vegeta's body, Goku blasted his tail off, reverting him back to his original state, allowing Baby to eject from his body and go into an escape pod. But, not before until Goku used Kamehameha to launch him into the sun, which completely vaporized him. I feel bad for that guy. I don't know when Baby is gonna return. He's probably gonna use the Dragon Balls. So, Tyler, I want you to give this message to Tyler Needham. He's doing a AF fan dub of Dragon Ball GT called Dragon Ball 100X. And, I want to send him this message. What if Trunks from that alternate timeline where he fought Goku Black would, face off against Baby Vegeta in his timeline? And, like when Goku Black met Zamasu, he also faced off against that world's version of Baby. Anyways, Trunks takes his time machine back into the past, where he runs into Vegeta and his son Trunks, along with Goten. And, they go to, Trunks' alternate future to stop them. At first, they thought it was Baby revived with the Dragon Balls, who managed to take over Vegeta's body. And, for some reason, he was transported to his alternate timeline to recruit that version of Baby. But, actually, the Baby of that reality was, destroyed. The creator of Baby was, brutally murdered by a man from that timeline. A guy wearing a robot arms and goggles and a lab coat. And, he took him in like his own son. And, together they found the Super Dragon Balls. And, they wished for an ally who possessed the same body and fighting power as Baby Vegeta. And, Trunks, Goten, Future Trunks, and Vegeta worked together to stop them. And it worked. Anyways, you see, when drawing Baby Vegeta in his Great Ape form, you need to paint his body really yellow. And, be sure to draw these shoulder pads on his body. you know what's a weird fact about you guys? About Dragon Ball GT? We never got to see Yajirobe or Korin or Master Roshi. Maybe it's because they passed away of old age. We don't know that for sure. It would be nice to see them in Dragon Ball GT. It'd also be funny if Pan struggled to find the bathroom. Seriously. That'd be funny. Anyways, let's draw this part here. There we go. There's his arm here. And, finally, let's draw his tail. Remember, it's really bushy. So, be sure to draw that part here. There we go. And, that's how you draw Baby Vegeta in his great ape form. So, what was your favorite part of the Baby Saga? Anyways, and, what was your favorite part of it? What was your favorite scene? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. Have fun!